Hi, this is Ashish. We started this plant somewhere in May 2012 with a total capacity of say 3,000 tires per month. When we talk about the machines we have deployed here, all the machines are of American standards and has a capacity to make OTR tires as well. The thread and the raw material we are using is being procured from India Global Limited, which has set up a benchmark within itself. So when I say a benchmark, why I am using the word benchmark is when compared with other competitors like or the manufacturers like Midas, MRF, LG, Indac Threadrubber comes pre-buffed and pre-cemented, which actually saves lot of manpower time. We are using Iron 30 Indac cushion gum, which gives a perfect bonding between the tire and the tread. Talking about the mileage, we can easily compare the mileage of new tires against the retreaded tires being done by our plant. So there have been number of cases where we have advised customers to put a brand new set of tires in front and the retreaded tires in the horse, which is back of the truck or the car feed carrier, and the results were amazingly good. So when I say amazingly good, it's like the new tires gave a mileage of say 60,000 kilometers against our retreaded tires, which gave a mileage of 90,000 kilometers. So we have been getting such kind of compliment. Talking about the complaints, we hardly have any complaints coming in from the customers. Reason being the kind of efforts we put in while retreading the tires are marvelous. So we ensure there is 0% complaints which comes from customer. Talking about customer grievances, yeah, Indac has been quite supportive in terms of handling customer grievances. They make sure their SME or the technical head comes technical head visit to the customer with us, and they try to sort out any technical or any kind of other query of customer in terms of retreaded tires. So yes, I must say Indac has been, and the technical team has been quite supportive in terms of providing adequate knowledge to their fleet owners, be it the drivers and or the person in charge of managing the fleet.